If you want to learn how to find keywords for your next project as a content writer, as an SEO writer, I want to believe already you are a student in our SEO Academy, because in this academy, we give you practice sandbox where you could see and optimize, where you could see and have real-time understanding on how keyword works. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to identify keywords, what keyword looks like, and what you should be looking out for keyword. So we're going to be using a very, very simple keyword. Let's use coffee, right? Let's use coffee as our head term, right? Coffee as our head keyword. So when we do analyze, right? So now we have three different types of keyword, basically four, right? Commercial, navigational, transactional, right, and informational. Now, keywords are different in terms of their intents. So, for example, if you see the coffee here, it shows information. The person wants to know about coffee. Search volume is high. Why? Because it's short term and their search volumes are always high because it's a broad keyword. The keyword difficulty is 65% here, which means it's very, very high. Cost per click, if you want to run sponsored ads on this keyword, right, to target this keyword, you'll be spending almost high. Now, the next type of keyword is commercial keyword. This is for those who with the intent of buying, right? It said best coffee 2026. Now, the keyword difficulty is always low because it's long tail, it's almost direct, right? And the cost per clicks are always high in most cases, right? The next thing we want to understand is the informational coffee tutorial for beginners. So if you see here, we have three types of informational intent keyword here. We have coffee tutorials, and we have how to use coffee. While coffee tutorial has 800 volume, how to use coffee has 4K volume, 4K search volume, and coffee has 5.4K volume. So these are some of the things you want to understand when finding keywords. You know keyword, the intent, right, and your keyword difficulty. Now that you understand how keyword research works, the next thing is how to optimize and where exactly do you need to put this keyword to make sure that your content is ranking. And these are some of the things that in our SEO Academy we open your eyes to, and we make it possible for you to understand how keyword and how content works together, so your content in general ranks and become visible on the search engine. So if you have not yet registered for our SEO Academy, what are you waiting for? I'll see you on the other side of the academy. Cheers.